Hello, my friends. I thought I would pop in with a quick video to wish those of you who celebrate Christmas a very Merry Christmas, and I hope that the true meaning of Christmas will shine forth in your lives. For those of you who don't celebrate Christmas, I hope nothing but the very best for you as well, and may truth and hope shine in your lives also. So, I'm going to be doing 2 straight pours today on this 10 by 20 inch canvas. I'm going to load up my cup from the warm to the cool in one cup and the cool to warm in the other cup. And my colors are, let's see, I'm going to start by showing you, I'll start with the cool ones. This is a Prizm Pour Ultra Metallic in Frozen. It's a little lump in there. I'll have to fish that out. And then this one is Artist Loft Brilliant Blue and Metallic Black. And I have to show you up close how pretty this color is. Look at that. I hope you can see. It's kind of a midnight blue with a shimmer to it. I'm really happy with that. This is white, Artist Loft white with a bit of the Frozen added to it. This is Prizm Pour in Rich Auburn. Beautiful color. This is a Prizm Pour in Apple Cider. And this is Liquitex Basics in the Cad Yellow Deep. Now I did add some Cad Yellow Deep to this as well to kind of bridge these two colors together, because the apple cider alone looked funny to me next to the yellow. So I just added some yellow to it, and I think it makes sense now. So let's get to loading up these cups. If you're interested in saving some money on Prizm Pour paints, I do have an affiliate coupon, which is always down below in my description box. There's some other coupons as well. Let's see. I don't know how much I'm going to get in each cup. I always mix my paints fresh. I know a lot of people like to pre-mix and have them on hand, but it's just how what I'm used to doing, and I like it that way. I also use a scale to measure my paints, and my recipes, which I give you, are always pretty precise, because I like you to be able to get similar results when you do your own, but I find the scale is a way to accomplish that for me. And the Prizm Pour paints and the light blue one, which was made with Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White and a little bit of that peacock color, no water was added. But I did have to add some water to the tube paints to meet the consistency of the ones to which I added no water, if that makes sense. And I don't feel it matters that you mix up your colors, your brands rather, but the key, I believe, to successful pouring is to have your consistencies pretty close. And a way to do that, now I'm going to load this one up, is by doing that drip test. You put, after you've mixed them up, you put a drop of paint on something, a piece of foam core board perhaps, and then you tilt it, and then you can see if you need to add water to any of your paints. Let's see, I'll do this. I don't bother with the drip test again once I've done it. once I've adjusted with water. And that part I do eyeball. I've always wanted to do this, to fill up, I think I have done it, to fill up cups going one way and then the other, and see how different it looks. Of course, you could fill up two identical cups and they look different. So anyway, probably could fill up 3 cups. I have enough paint here. I might add one more layer. Gosh, I forgot. I don't know what I have in there, but it looks like about the same amount, so I must have 2 layers of each. Except how would I end up with the dark, the light there? And I don't think I did add. No, I didn't add a second layer of this. I don't know. Now I've completely confused myself. I was talking and not thinking. Maybe I didn't add the second layer of blue to this one. No, I started with blue. I know I did. And I see yellow, I see blue, I see yellow. I should have started with the yellow one here, and then blue, then yellow, and then blue. Yeah, I think that's where I went wrong. I didn't add these final layer of blue. But I have all this paint left over. I feel like I want to use it up. So since this was my primary color, I will add one more layer of yellow to this one and one more layer of blue to that. That's what I'll do. All right, and then blue here. I think I start with this one. Can you hear the music? My neighbors are having a party. They like to have parties. My window's closed. Otherwise you would really be hearing it. Okay. That should be adequate amount of paint for this canvas. Plenty. So here we go. I'm going to try to pour them in exactly the same way, so I can really see the difference in the way they're layered. That's half. I'm going to pour right in the middle there. Oh, I love that dark blue against the light blue. I knew I would get some green because I did put the yellow next to the blue, but I'm happy with that. Can you hear that music? I hope I don't get hit with a copyright abuse thing. Notification. I'm not playing it. My neighbors are. Oh, that's pretty. Alrighty. Okay, and now I'm pouring here, but I'm looking over here. I really like that blue center. There was the lump that I think that I saw. Oh, good, and getting a lovely blue area here too. Yellow can be pretty bossy, and but blue is always so peaceful. It's along with almost every other color. Oh, that's good. This is exactly the center I wanted on this yellow one, kind of a warm glow. Okay. All right. Well, pretty much what I expected to see here. Let's see what happens when we tilt. Thing, I have surface coverage. I think this side here is more interesting than that, so I'm gonna shoot this over that away a little bit, run some of this off. I like this whole thing. It's a shame that that's gonna change. But it's just what it takes sometimes. You have to sacrifice. I just want to get rid of some of that. Now, the last thing I would like to do is, I think I would want to curve this up a little bit. I'm trying to find a finger that doesn't have paint dripping from it. I would like to change up that straight line a bit. So, I'm going to find out where the weight of my paint is, although I think it's pretty evenly distributed. I can see where it is, so I'm gonna push the weight of the paint back towards the center and then come down this way, try to create a swoop in that straight line. And I think it worked. Okay. I have a tiny little open spot here, but my, you know, I always say this, that I don't worry about the very edges. The corners usually are the parts that don't get complete coverage. I let it dry and then I come back with a solid color, probably the Payne's gray or a dark color, and fill in the blanks. And I really like that look. So there you have it. I'm pleased with it. I think it's a cool result. So let me bring you in for a closer look. Interesting, isn't it? The same colors filled differently in the cups, just in reverse, and so 2 paintings in one. Here's the nice shimmer there. That's from the well, probably both the frozen Prizm Pour and the metallic black. I even like that little corner there. Well, there we go. I hope you like that, my friends. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you this coming Friday, for the Pouring from Coast to Coast collaboration. I've put out a fun challenge for them, and looking forward to seeing all the results. Okay, friends, Merry Christmas to you, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year, and I'll see you soon.